To fix Apple Pay not working on Apple Watch, follow these steps. First, ensure your Apple Watch is running the latest software version. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, then General, and select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Next, check that Apple Pay is set up correctly on your iPhone. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and add your credit or debit card if you haven't already. Make sure the card you're trying to use is active and not expired. Then, verify that Apple Pay is enabled on your Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, then Wallet and Apple Pay. Ensure the switch next to Apple Pay is turned on. You should also see the cards you've added to the Wallet app on your iPhone listed here. If Apple Pay still isn't working, try restarting your Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Then drag it to the right. Wait a few seconds. Then press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. Additionally, check that your Apple Watch is properly paired with your iPhone. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch. Then tap the info icon next to your watch's name. If you see a message saying your watch is not connected, try unpairing and repairing your devices. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact your bank or card issuer to confirm that there are no issues with your account, and then reach out to Apple support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Apple Pay not working on your Apple Watch and continue making convenient and secure payments with your device.